Hello everyone! Today's video explores the Magento 2 PWA extension, which lets customers install the store on their devices and browse it just like a mobile app. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. Here we are on the admin dashboard. Now click on Stores and navigate to Configuration. Here we can see the progressive web application configuration. In the Settings section, you can enable or disable the module by selecting Yes or No. Then enter the application name, followed by the application short name. Next, fill in the Web API key and FCM auth domain of the Firebase application and upload the Firebase auth JSON file. After that, enter the project ID, storage bucket, messaging sender ID, app ID, and public key. Now enter the measurement ID, and the admin can also upload the application icon. Now scroll down to the Splash Background Color section, where the admin can set the color accordingly. In the Theme section, the admin can also set the theme color. And select the orientation. For now, I'm selecting Any. Next, in Select Display, you can choose any option such as Full Screen, Standalone, Minimal, or Browser. For now, I'm selecting Full Screen. This application is also compatible with both iOS and Android, so you can upload the iOS splash screen image. Here you can also select the CMS page for offline view, such as 404 Not Found, Homepage, and so on. Finally, enter the Service Worker version, then click Save Config to save the configuration. Here we can see the configuration has been saved successfully. Now go to PWA and navigate to Manage PWA Notifications. Here the admin can see the list of notifications, and the admin can also add a new push notification. To do this, click on the New Push Notification Message button. Here, fill in all the details accordingly. Then click Save Notification Message, and the notification will be saved successfully. Now the admin can send the notification to all front-end customers by clicking the Send button here. And this is our iOS device. Once the admin clicks on the Send button, the notification is sent to the customers, and as you can see, we have received the notification on our device. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvadesk.com. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.